So here we are at Ernest Hemingway's pool site. Say hi, Mommy, Poppy.
Hi.
So we're here filming and we're looking at his pet cemetery. He has 4 cats there. What are they called, Mommy? His cats or dogs?
The cat,
Bl-
Black, and Negrita, Linda, and Neuron.
So yeah, so Linda, Neron, Black, and Negrita. There's his boat there where he would go out riding. This is around the back of his house, and he has something like 40-something cats buried here. And how's the heat here, you guys?
Oh, spectacular.
Poppy? Okay. So then here's this. We're gonna go here and look at his pool. Here's his pool area. And he has this beautiful pool. But the whole property is actually like 10, 15 degrees cooler than everywhere else. Just because of all the trees here. So it makes a big difference. So here's at Ernest Hemingway's boat, Pilar. Registered in Key West, looks like. There's his seat where he'd go fishing. And then it's all wood. It's really pretty. It's probably made out of teak or mahogany. Something that withstands water. Actually, the whole thing is wood. Really pretty. This was here last time I came, so it looks like it must have fell off in the last few months. It's in repair. So this is the famous Pilar. And outside, there's a lot of life here. This place has a lot of energy. There's a lot of people. It's high population density. Look how beautiful this boat is, the inside. It's made in the Wheeler Shipyard in Brooklyn, New York, in the old days. They maybe don't make boats there anymore, but this is it. It's an American-made boat. This is all his private collection of animals he hunted and killed, mostly from Africa and North America. This is weapons of choice. He had like some spears and stuff. Yeah, go upstairs. Oh yeah, there he is up there. All his animals. We're looking at the balcony here, and this is a view from this house. He has like a courtyard here, which is kind of nice for entertaining. And he has a gazebo here that's shaded, which is kind of nice. And then so you can come out. This seems like an ideal house. It seems like the type of house I'd like to live in. It has this great big living room here, which goes off into a big side room there, which is like a dance hall. And then there's a bedroom there, the one with 2 beds. And then here's like his main office. He has a lot of offices for writing in. He has at least 3 rooms I've seen here for writing. And then this takes you out into this side yard here. And there's a lot of nice trees here for shade, which keeps the whole property naturally cool. Here's Ernest Hemingway's office, where he sits to write. There he is with a drawing of him with an animal he killed. And the glass has tape on it. That's for hurricanes, so it won't blow out. And he's into astronomy. So estos tape es para que no se quiebran cuando hay huracanes. Es para que todo se preserve. No, gracias. Here's a view from up here from his office. You can look down, and there's my mom down there talking to the ladies, socializing with her Cuban sunshade hat. This is Ernest Hemingway's main office here, the house. He has more animals there he hunted. And it looks like a lion's head there, desk. It does look like a grand office for inspiration. There's his chair. It looks like he sat here and he'd look out onto the yard here so that he can relax. So he'd enjoy the view here from his office. Yeah. So here he has another office, and there in the desk you can see all the bullets from his rifles. He has shotgun slugs, and there's straight up bullets. And more African wildlife. Here's a big water buffalo head. And he has art. This opens up into the bathroom there. And it goes into the house. It's like the guest bedroom here in the main house. Got 2 beds here. Looks he had an antique heater there. And a projector there for watching movies. In every room he has a lot of these stuffed animals that he hunted. Mostly like, it looks like African wildlife, most of them. Now here's his bedroom, more wildlife. And that goes into this side office there. And then it goes to the bathroom. So it's kind of nice. He has all 3 lined up here. And there's books like everywhere, in every room, which is really pretty. Michael. Here's Ernest Hemingway's bathroom, his toilet. And on the wall there, you see he kept track of his weight by the date, kind of like we do in the hardcore program. So this guy was hardcore. He's already displaying hardcore habits. There's a shower, a tub, and there's a heater there.